Welcome to one of the most powerful features of the Mindgasm app, the Session Builder. While you may have been enjoying our individual tracks and pre-made playlists, this essential tool gives you complete control over your experience. The Session Builder allows you to combine multiple tracks into a seamless, uninterrupted playlist, perfect for those deeper sessions where you don't want to break your state of focus by reaching for your phone. There are 3 ways to create your personalized sessions. First, you can build a playlist entirely from scratch, selecting each track precisely according to your needs. Second, you can duplicate any existing playlist and then customize it with your own modifications. Third, you can import public playlists shared by other community members. The Mindgasm app also works seamlessly in the browser of your PC. Simply log in and you can use the Session Builder interface in responsive design for larger screens. Any playlists you create will automatically sync with the app on your smartphone. Okay, let's create a playlist. In the app, go to the Practice area. Choose the My Playlists section and find the Create New Session button at the bottom of the list of your playlists. This will open the Session Builder with a new, empty session. If you opened an existing playlist, you also find a plus symbol in the top right corner, also allowing you to create a new playlist. To customize, click on the pen icon to access the basic settings. Here you can give your session a name, choose a cover picture, and add a description of your choice. You can also choose if you want to make this session public. Only public sessions can be shared later on. If you want to delete a playlist, you can do this by clicking onto this button. Confirm to save your changes. On the right of the screen, you see all the available tracks you can use for creating your playlist, starting with the main lessons, followed by all exercises from the practice section, and last, the Mindgasm rides from the journey section. Simply click on one of the tracks to add it to your playlist. You can also find a selection of predefined filters that allow you to narrow down your search for the right tracks. Also available is a search function. You maybe already spotted this little glowing icon on the right of certain tracks. This symbol indicates that the track is available both as a guided version and as an instrumental version. If the symbol is glowing, it's the voice version. If it's not glowing, it's the instrumental. You can easily switch between versions by simply clicking the symbol. If the icon doesn't appear at all, it just means there's only one version of the track available, either guided or instrumental. By clicking on a selected track, you can preview and scroll through it using the audio player located here. To change the order of your tracks, just click and drag the 2 lines to move up or down. To delete a certain track, simply swipe it to the right. You can also add short descriptions to your playlist. To do so, just move one of your tracks to the left, click the pen icon and add your text. On the web app, you can also add one by hovering over a track and then clicking the A+ symbol. If you're familiar with Markdown, you can use basic formatting and even add links. To close the Session Builder, click the arrow icon in the top left corner. Back in the My Playlists overview, you'll see the playlist you just created. Hover over it to start it directly or to edit it again. Clicking on it takes you to the playlist view in the app. Here, you can also edit, duplicate, or click the Share button to copy the correct URL to your clipboard. Perfect for sharing it, for example, in the Mindgasm Discord. Just keep in mind that the playlist will only be playable by others if you've made it public. There you go. Enjoy getting creative and crafting your own Mindgasm experiences.